Students,
Afternoon, everyone. Here, see this part, question number 5. This is the exercise 13b. I have taken two questions of exercise 13b, question number 5 and 8. I will solve both the question and I will also give you the work. Right now, you after completing this part, I will give you the work, you have to complete it. So, see the question number 5. Solution of question number 5. Here, we need to find out integral of a to the power 2x dx. Okay, so we have to find what we have to find integral of, we can write I is equal integral of a to the power 2x dx. Students, very important thing we will use, actually when you finish this concept then you will apply the method, you can say the substitution method. Yeah, okay, so I am supposing by substitution method, by substitution method, here let I am taking 2x as a t. Okay, 2x is equal, I am taking 2t. Actually it's a, if you have an integral of a to the power x dx, so you can find out directly a to the power x upon log a base e plus c. But here we have a to the power 2x. This is creating an issue. Okay, so because of this I am supposing 2x is equal t and I am applying here the substitution method. Whenever students you will get this question, you will of course you will apply this method. Okay, so 2x is equal to, we will differentiate it with respect to t, so it will be dy by, you can write directly dy by dx dt, sorry, dt of 2x and dy dt of t. Clear? So students, of course we know very well the we are differentiating with respect to t, but function is in form of x and here is function is in form of t, and also we are differentiating with respect to t, so it will be 1. But this will create the problem. We can write the dy by dt into 2x, so we need to multiply, then in the numerator dx is also in the multiplying dx in the denominator. Okay, and convert dt as a dx and dx as a dt, so it will be dy by dx of 2x into dx upon dt, that is equal 1. Okay, so dy by dx of 2x, this is very easy. Now 2 is a constant term, we will take the outside it, 2 and dy by dx of x into dx, and this dt can be using cross multiplication, it will be equal dt. Okay, dt multiply with the 1 and 1 this part. Okay, listen, so 2 of dy dx of x, this is 1 into dx is equal dt. So we have a 2 into 1 into dx, this is 2 dx is equal dt. So dx is what? Dx is dt upon 2. Okay, now students see very clearly from this is a equation first, it's a second, this is equation number second, and it is equation number third. Okay, so I is what, finally we have I is equal integral of a to the power 2x dx. Clear? So integral of a to the power 2x is already what? 2x from equation first, second, from equation second, 2x is what? T, and dx, what is the value of dx? It is dt upon 2, dt upon 2. Yes, now we have created, and now we know very well, we know that integral of a to the power x dx is what? A to the power x upon log a base e plus c. So here students, it's a integral of a to the power t dt upon 2, so this 2 will be outside, it will be 1 upon 2 of integral of a to the power t dt. So students, tell me, it will be what? It will be a to the power t upon log a base e plus c. So tell me, what is the value of t? Here 1 upon 2 and a to the power t, what is the value of t is, see here the value of t is 2x. Okay, so a to the power 2x upon log a base e plus c. This is the final answer. Now students, I will move for the question number 8. You can see the complete solution in this way. Take the screenshot if you want to take. And now I will move for the question number 8. Integral of I is equal integral of 5x plus 7 upon x plus e to the power x dx. Clear? Students, can we write it in this way? 5x upon x plus 7 upon x plus e to the power x or dx. Any problem? Of course there is no issue. So x will be cancelled out, and now students, we can write in this way integral of 5 into dx. I am multiplying dx with the inner part of the bracket, plus and also multiply the integral, plus integral of 7 into dx upon x plus integral of e to the power x dx. So student, tell me, 5 will be it's a constant, so 5 of integral of dx plus 7 again constant, it will be outside, integral of dx upon x plus integral of e to the power x dx. That is very easy, e to the power x plus c. Now student, tell me, it's a 5 integral of dx is what? X plus 7 integral of dx upon x is what? Log of modulus x plus e to the power x plus c. This is the required answer. Now students, I am going to give you work. You need to complete this work. See it. Exercise 13b. Can you solve this question? 19 question number 19. It's your work. You need to solve this question. In this question, you here you have an expression, a function in form of numerator upon denominator. So the hint is given here. Actually the hint is given already. You need to divide the x to the power 6 minus 1 by x square plus 1. So you will get this form, and you after that you will integrate this part. Exercise 13b has been over here, and one more question you can solve, question number 15. Okay, so you have a 2 question. Right now you will solve these questions, and if you are feeling any problem with the question, you can just ask me. And integral of x plus 1 upon x, here students, into sign. Okay, if the sign is not given, so this means it is into x plus 1 upon x into x square plus 1 upon x square. So you will multiply x with the x square, you will multiply x with the 1 upon x square. Similarly with the 1 upon x, means you will multiply this form. Okay, and after that you will integrate. Clear? In this way I will give you the hint. You can understand. Actually I will not give you hint. Okay, here you need to multiply both the functions, x plus 1 upon x multiply with the x square plus 1 upon x square. In this way, after that you can get the answer. So finally your 13 topic has been over. Okay, and topic number 14, I have already sent it all the videos to you.